are the Group 9 and today we will present about the topic Tracking Call Trends. Let me introduce my team. Our team leader, Mr. Christian Zerezo, my co-agent, Mr. Mark Angelo Ingal, and me, the presenter, Ms. Nicole Batu.
What is call tracking? Call tracking helps businesses identify how their customers found them and what led them to initiate the call. It tracks important data such as the caller's identity, the date and the time of the call, and the intent behind the call. It identifies the marketing source, whether through search engines, social media, or advertisements. These insights helps businesses refine their marketing efforts and improve customer experiences. Now that we understand what call tracking is, let's explore how call tracking software works. Um, First, assigning a unique tracking number. A different phone number is assigned to each marketing campaign or platform. When the customer calls, the software redirects the call to the businesses while capturing relevant data. The software records details such as the caller ID, call source, and call details. This insights helps the businesses make informed decisions about their marketing strategies.
Trends in call tracking. As technology evolves, new trends are transforming call trackings and make it more insightful. Let's discuss the topic trends. Dynamic number insertion. DNI dynamically assigns different phones number based on the source, allowing businesses to track exactly where calls originate. Next is integration with CRM system. Call tracking software now seamlessly integrates with CRM platforms to update customer profiles with call details. This integration provides a complete view of customer interaction and enable personalized marketing. Next is advanced analytic and reporting. Modern call tracking systems provide detailed reports and real-time analytics, helping businesses make data-driven decisions. These trends allow companies to refine their marketing strategies and improve customer engagement. Innovation in call tracking. Let's move on to some exciting innovations that are shaping the future of call tracking. AI and machine learning. AI can analyze call content, identify patterns, and detect customer sentiment. Natural language processing or NLP can categorize conversation and predict customer behavior. Next is enhanced attribution model. Advanced model can accurately attribute conversion to multiple touch points, providing a clearer understanding of the customer journey. Last is multi-channel tracking. This feature allows businesses to track calls originating from website, social media, paid ads, and more. It gives a comprehensive view of the effectiveness of different marketing channels. This innovation empowers businesses to refine their customer interaction strategies and optimize marketing performance.
The future of call tracking software. As technology advances, the future of call tracking promises even greater improvements. Here's what ahead. Greater adoption of artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI will continue to improve call transcription and sentiment analysis, providing a deeper insights into customer interactions. Predictive analytics will enhance forecasting and decision making. Next is seamless interaction with CRM and marketing automation tools. Future call tracking solutions will provide a tighter integration with CRMs like Salesforce and HubSpot, allowing for automatic data updates and enhanced personalization. The last one will be real-time reporting and live chat coaching. Businesses will benefit for real-time call analysis and agent coaching to improve performance during customer interactions. The future of call tracking is bright with technologies that will enhance efficiency and customer satisfaction. For the conclusion, to summarize, call tracking provides businesses with valuable insights that help refine marketing strategies and improve customer experiences. For the conclusion, to summarize, call tracking provides businesses with valuable insights that help refine marketing strategies and improve customer experiences. The integration of AI, CRM systems, and advanced analytics is transforming the call tracking landscape. As technology continues to evolve, call tracking will empower businesses to make smarter decisions, deliver personalized experiences, and achieve better outcomes.